want to talk. We're driving through Phanom Sawai Forest Park.
In 300 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
And we're going to Phanom Sawai or Khao Sawai. And it's got like a couple of hundred steps to go up to the top.
สวัสดีค่ะไปเที่ยวข้างในได้ไหมคะ
ได้ครับต้องเก็บค่า
ตรงไหนคะ
ครับ
ตรงนี้หรือเปล่าคะเท่าไหร่คะyou are 100 me 20 and the car is 100 250
Can't we just go out on
$150 yeah you are 100 me 20 the car 30
Okay, we are in Phanom Sawai Park, Forest Park, Phanom Sawai Forest Park, or Wat Sawai.
Khao Sawai.
Oh, Khao Sawai. So I haven't been here in a while, and this is in Surin district.
Surin province.
Surin province. I assume you can see the big Buddha up the hill on the dash cam. Good day, everybody. We're at Khao Sawai today. It's about, I think, 15-20 kilometers outside of Surin, Thailand. We've been here before. So there's a couple hundred steps that we have to go up here in front of us. And I don't know that I'm going to record all this going up the steps because it's probably going to about kill me. But at least we'll share pieces of it. No, they're in Thai. I can't read any of it.
Don't use rock hit the
Oh, don't use a rock to hit the bells.
yeah. Don't use the bell hit each other. Use wood or coin.
Coin. Okay, you said there's 1,800
bells.
1,800 bells. That's unbelievable.
Okay.
So don't grab a rock, but there's a piece of wood you can grab. I don't think we're going to want to ding bells all the way up there.
No more.
I remember coming up here before now.
Yeah.
This is the Khao Sawai Forest Park. So took a brief little pause. Now we're going to head up the next bunch of steps. With a task walking along, sweeping this up every day. วัสดีครับ
ครับผม
Well, I tell you, it's a bunch of steps, long ways. Going to have the elephant festival here in Surin starts in about 8 days, a little over a week. So everything around is getting cleaned and prepped, because people that come here will come around and visit everything. We're going the last little piece now, up to the top.
He said the back is very beautiful.
The view in the back.
Yeah, view in the back, very beautiful.
Wow, nice. Very nice.
Just relax, be free of care. It's not that hard, just watch the stars, they'll take you there. And in your hand, I'll place my own. And for forever, you will never be alone. When you close your eyes, if you float to the sky, remember this, remember this. Everything could change with a single kiss. And just let go, give up control. Sometimes the fear of the unclear is all we own. But in the end, the love we've shown will overcome the inhibitions that have grown. Things will come and go, but I just need you to know. Remember this, remember this. Oh.
Some of these temples are the Thai places. This isn't a temple, but some of the Thai places have things written in English. This one does not. These look like ones you can make donations to hang your bell here. I want to see what it looks like back here behind. The last time we were here, this whole thing had scaffolding around it, and it didn't look so nice, but sure does now. It's all looks like it's obviously newly done. Take some more steps up here. I think this is a viewpoint. Oh, it says the cliff is 60 meters. That's the road we came in on. Cliff, don't be close. And my boss says I can't go. It's too dangerous. It looks like a really deep step down there anyhow, that last one. Khao Sawai
House
means on a mountain, and Sawai is the area we're in, right?
The mountain named Sawai. Sawai mountain. Oh,
Very nice. Very nice place.
yeah.
Okay, everybody, we brought you to Khao Sawai. It's in the Surin province, about 15-20 kilometers out of the city of Surin. Lovely place. This is a Khao Sawai Forest Park that this is in, and it's a beautiful drive coming in here. We hope you like the content. If you do, please reach down and mash the like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything and it helps our channel. This is Bobby and Jai with time to get going.
Out.
We're out.